You're good.
I'll get first. Ready first.
From the ball tag.
Come on. Take forever.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah.
I'm burned by the
Oh, it's my turn. Yeah. Yeah, you could be. Ball yourself back up. Come on. After Nevin.
Oh, there's the bear. There's the bear.
Well, what she did. It's my turn.
Wait, guys! Guys, I wasn't recording.
Oh, it's okay. We're still playing.
I was just kidding. I am recording.
Okay.
There's a car.
Ninja mustard. MySpace pic. Let's do. Gonorrhea.
Let's go.
Stop.
Oh, you're watching it.
I'm recording.
You and then him. Your turn. That was a boost because you got me. So that's your move already. Oh, it's mine. Sure, come back. You just let that. No.
Oh, come through.
Neville.
Toshina.
I can cut it.
Yes, you can, as long as you're getting ready.
Neville.
Sorry, it's the crazy side of Brittany.
Look out.
Continue the back hole.
I got you.
Tricked you.
How much? You swallow.
Later. I died. Not only two Ninja Master. Let's see who did. Let's see who win. Oh. Brennan win. Fatality.
It was a nice distraction too. That's when he looked hot with wet hair. He's like, really?
That's chicken.
Did you want to get body and pants in the mud? No, okay. I mean, I could do it. You want to?
That you want to do it? No, work it out, work it out, work it. Oh, Gangnam Style. And now, to show you how we Ninja Master around.
It's like candy cane.
Did you see anything? What?
It went foul. Boot your elbow.
Wait, let's not keep going. You ruined his groove.
Come here, honey. Look at my arm. Get away. Better. Sorry.
It's okay.
Where is it?
Hi, my name's Nevin, and I like to play ninjas in the rain.
I like your hair wet.
Thanks.
one
Yeah,
your elbow.
everybody says I'm hot with my hair
Ew.
wet.
Wait, let me see your elbow.
That's his bile straw. It actually does smell like blood.
Listen, I'm talking,
It's very
okay?
faithful.
It's his.
Yeah, this is my moment on Candid
Battle
Cam.
scar.
Alright, no, you know what? You just ruined it, so it's your turn. You get to say whatever you want. And you talk a lot.
I speak Japanese. He don't speak Japanese, but I do.
Let me get a close up, Zach. No. Keep your head up.
Let's see your pretty little face.
I speak Japanese. Toyota, Tata.
My turn. Oh, what? My turn? Okay, no.
2 plus 2 equals gonorrhea.
We had a good time because I let them drink.
Let it drink.
The shoes untied. What you almost looked.
Oh, you did.
Are we done now? I don't like it when you do that. It's annoying.